Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Let's Grow. I hope you are very fine and doing great in your life. So today's topic of discussion is river training works and its importance. So in this video lecture we will be going through the brief of river training works and we will be discussing about the importance of river training works. So let us start our discussion without any delay. River training works are defined as the structure or planning which determines the flow of water in the river through a different stage. River training works protect the way of the flowing water to be wider and also protect from landslide and loss of property. So here in this image you can see that if we have not constructed this structure, the width of river will become high. So to narrow down the width of river and to prevent the loss of property and landslide and bank erosion, this type of structure are constructed along the river. So these type of structure are called as the river training works. The importance of river training works are as follows. The first number is to provide a safe passage to pass flood without overflowing its banks and thus to prevent flooding of the adjoining areas. So whenever a flood event passes into a river, the flood carries a huge amount of discharge. So we want that this discharge should be passed through the river without the overflowing from the bank. Because once the water start overflowing from the banks, it will cause the flooding in the adjoining areas. So to prevent this flooding, we need river training works. The second point is to prevent the river from changing its course and eroding adjoining land. So whenever a river passes, then what will happen? It will try to erode the bank of the river. So whenever the water flow in the river, it will try to erode the bank of the river, and also it will affect the bed of the river as well, and it will change the course gradation of the river. So to prevent all these effect, means to prevent the erosion of bank as well as bed, we need the river training works. To prevent the erosion of banks and hence improve the alignment by stabilizing the river channel. So the practice of stabilizing the river channel is also considered in the river training works, so that we can prevent the erosion as well as to improve the alignment of river, so that this river flow in a perfect regime and in a alignment. Fourth point is to keep the river transports the bed load and suspended load efficiently. So whatever bed load or suspended load is coming with the water, the river should pass all these bed load and suspended load in an efficient manner without any deposition and erosion process in a river system. The fifth point is to provide the minimum desired depth of flow required for the navigation. And if the river is used for the navigation purpose, then we have to make sure the minimum desired depth is always available in the river, and this minimum desired depth of flow will be available when we provide some river training works in the river. The sixth point is to deflect the river flow away from a bank or to attract the river flow towards a bank. So there are various structures like gonales which are constructed in the river. So we will be discussing about these in the upcoming video lecture, that how these structures are made and how this structure deflect the river flow and attract the river flow. So I hope you like this video. If you really like this, you can hit that like button. You can subscribe our channel Let's Grow for more informative videos. You can check out the description box. If you want to be a part of our WhatsApp group, the link is given in the description. you can join there. Also you can connect me on your LinkedIn. My LinkedIn profile link is given in the description. So again, thank you so much to watch this lesson till the end. Okay, take care. Bye bye.